Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get GIF to be displayed in WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once there, on the right-hand panel of your dashboard, locate the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This takes you directly into the editing interface where you can make changes to your website. At the top left corner of the editor, you'll see the Add button. Click it, and a variety of block options will appear. In the search bar provided, type GIF to filter the results. When the GIF block appears, click on it to add it to your page. Using GIFs is an easy way to engage your visitors as they add personality, movement, and a fun visual touch. Simply search for any GIF and it will be added to your site. Just remember to place them thoughtfully. Well-positioned GIFs enhance your content, while overusing them can distract from your message. Choose GIFs that match the tone and purpose of your page. Once the GIF block is added, you can customize its settings, adjust its size, and choose the perfect placement to fit your theme. And that's it. So that is how you can get GIF to be displayed in WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.